Hello everybody, it's Rainbow Runner. Welcome back to another video. We have another rail fanning. We have a UP8860. It's about to go through Baseline Road. And down to go the gates. It's had some, like, this train's had some, like, electrical issues or something. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but okay, the gates were triggered, but now the gates are going back up. Wait. I don't know if they're going to try to get going again or what the situation is. Okay, I see somebody. One of the crews just got on the side of the locomotive. I'm betting he's probably just climbing into the cockpit, and maybe they're getting ready to move now. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, I've parked my truck here by the ground demolition place, in between the two railroad crossings off of Baseline Road. So yeah. So I think there are like 7 locomotives total on this train. And I'm gonna close the tailgate of my truck. And the camper shell too. Alright. I'm gonna walk up to the sidewalk. I'm right by the crossing, so I just gotta watch out for the turn-in traffic. There's 5527, I'm directly behind it, and 5621, I believe, is the third locomotive. So yeah, who knows if we'll get ourselves a train passing through. I'm hoping not too long. Alright. Right there, I believe those are probably some, like, work vehicles for the railroad too. So yeah. It's kind of interesting to, like, hear the engines of the locomotive idling like that. Ooh, I can also smell like some of the fumes, probably from like the diesel or something. Okay, it's sounding its bells. I don't know if it's gonna get going again or. It's probably gonna trying to see if it can trigger the crossing gates again. That way it can pass the crossing. Okay, it's trying to go. Okay, the gates have activated. 560, of course, some 5527, 5621, 3028. Then we have 6362, 839, and then 7501. And those are all the locomotives on board this train. Now we have a guy right there. I don't know if he's like a railroad worker or what, but yeah, I haven't filmed at Baseline Road very often, so. And yeah, something else unique about the Baseline's crossing. Of course, there's the electronic bell on the near side and then the mechanical bell on the far side. Mechanical on the east side of the tracks, electronic on the west side of the tracks. Okay, we have the railroad worker walking back alongside, probably just to get back to their cars or whatever. It's going pretty slow. Don't know how fast it's gonna like pick up speed or what. Make sure I'm zoomed out a bit. Gary Railways is what it says on that one car right there. Let me zoom in. Of course, we also have like logos from like other railroad companies, Norfolk Southern. I don't know what those cars are. I mean, they look a little bit similar to tank cars, but I don't know if they actually are tank cars. Because we have a few hoppers. Then we have like that flatbed car right there. Something interesting. I think I can kind of hear the sound effects of the crossing belts echoing, like from the buildings nearby, where the ground demolition and also whatever that storage place is. Yeah, I'm drinking my Polar Pop while filming this train pass. Okay. there are some gondola cars, quite a few, if you will. I can actually see like a lot of the stuff like at the top of the gondola cars. I can hear like the brake mechanisms and stuff too on some of those cars as they pass. Nationwide gondola pool, I think is what it says right there. Wow, and I don't know if you saw it, but there was one of the gondola cars, like one of the things of graffiti has like the symbol, like the gender symbol, like that's kind of like combination of the one for male and the one for female. Okay, it looks like the train's now starting to pick up speed a lot more, so. Yeah, I mean, that's just the thing about trains and stuff, like with all those cars, like with all the way the physics and stuff work, like it takes a lot longer to get a train going and to get a train stopped. So that's why you have to be very careful around the railroad tracks. Yeah, 7 locomotives on this train. Okay, we've been rolling for almost 13 minutes. I don't know why there's an open door boxcar right there. Okay, now the end of the train is right here. All right. The gates are rising, and that Ford truck, like right there, looks like mine. Looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, the train is finally passed. So I guess I'll keep rolling. I can give you a shot of the end of the train completely passing McQueen Road. Of course, the end of train device is on the last car, but I don't think it really it flashes except at night. So, I mean, it is still there. All right. So, all right. I'll probably stop rolling once the gates on McQueen rise. Okay, it looks like they've risen and traffic is resuming on McQueen Road. And somebody even drove by it on the road that went to this workplace. All right, well, I think that will just about wrap up this video. It's been now over 15 minutes. But I think this 15 minutes is still more worthwhile than switching to Geico. Okay, I just have to make a joke. But all right, thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for more. So Rainbow Runner will be heading out. Bye.